From light yard work to heavy firewood, 5 chainsaws for every job. Number 1. Craftsman CMEX 616-inch electric chainsaw prices between $81.30. The Craftsman 16-inch corded saw delivers steady 12-amp power with low maintenance, perfect for pruning and quick yard work. Lightweight, easy to start, and safer indoors since no gas. Number 2. Husqvarna 120 Mark III 16-inch gas chainsaw prices between $250-350. Husqvarna's 120 Mark III is a reliable gas saw with automatic oiler and a trusted engine for heavier yard and storm cleanup. It's robust for homeowners who need real cutting power. Number 3. Brushless cordless chainsaw. Battery tool compatible prices between $122.20. This brushless cordless model pairs with common battery platforms for excellent portability, ideal for light cutting without cords or fumes. Fast charge and quiet operation make it workshop friendly. Number 4. Professional chainsaw with anti-vibration prices between $200-350. A pro-grade gas saw with anti-vibration tech focuses on comfort during long cuts. Excellent for firewood and serious yard tasks. Built for durability and operator comfort. Number 5. Ergonomic handheld gasoline chainsaw prices between $183.20. The compact ergonomic gas saw is designed for easy handling and yard chores. Good balance and reduced fatigue for frequent use. A great middle ground between power and portability. If you found this useful, like and subscribe.